The Philippines a century hence. Rizal essay centered on the reforms of the political changes needed for the Philippines to remain under Spanish rule. Nevertheless, he stressed that reforms have to be initiated by the government of them to be peaceful and effective. For example, iminungkahi ni Rizal na magkaroon ng kalayaan sa pamamahayag upang malayang maipahayag ng mga Pilipino ang kanilang mga saloobin at hinanaing, upang magkaroon sila ng boses sa paggawa ng mga batas na nakaapekto sa kanila. Binibigyang diin niya na kung hindi magpapatupad ng mga reforma ang pamahalaan, maaaring humantong ito sa revolusyon. Years after Rizal's death, the Philippines attained its long-awaited freedom, a completion of what he had written in the essay. History does not record in its archive any lasting domination by one people over another of different races, of diverse usage and customs, of opposite and divergent ideas. One of two had to yield and succumb. The essay serves as a reminder that we Filipinos are historically persevering and strong-minded. The question now lies on whether or not we Filipinos are truly independent. We are really free when there is no continuing control of our economy by an elite oligarchy, not to mention the widening gap between the rich and the poor. Challenges that confront the Filipinos. Rizal in his El Filibusterismo said, "Why independence if the slave today becomes the tyrants of tomorrow?" Second thoughts about the kind of independence that we have at present. In addition, there is failure of the family, the educational system, and political leaders in terms of instilling national discipline and love of country. This includes mindset like lack of appreciation of importance and adhering to the rule of law and maintaining high standards of excellence. Prevailing attitudes like pwede na or bahala na only foster mediocrity in the global setting where attributes of precision and critical thinking are needed. Sabi ni Rizal sa kanyang El Filibusterismo, ang pagkamit ng kalayaan sa Pilipinas mula sa mga Amerikano pagkatapos ng ikalawang digmaang pandaigdig ay maaaring ituring na katuparan na hula ni Rizal. Gayunpaman, ang pagtuloy ng problema ng kahirapan at hindi pagkakapantay-pantay ay nagpapahiwatig na ang tunay na kalayaan ay hindi pa lubos na nakakamit. Ito dahil kahit wala ng mga dayuhang sumasakop, may mga Pilipinong patuloy at nangingibabaw at nagpapahirap sa mga kapwa Pilipino.